Hi friends, welcome back to SQL with Ravi Martha. This is part 22 of SQL Server interview questions and answer series. In today's session, we will learn how to split comma separated values to multiple rows. In the previous video, we have learned when there are multiple rows how to make it a single column with a comma separation or with any particular delimiter. If you haven't watched the video, I will keep the link in the description of this particular video. So let's get started. This is the input. So we have a table called employees in which we have two employees, employee 1 and employee 2. And there is one more column called ID which is having comma separated values 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here in the first record. And in the second record we have 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. I want the output like employee 1. So each value here it is comma separated. I want it to be a separate row, right? And for the employee 2, I want the values as separate rows. So let's see how we can achieve this in real time. Let's go to SQL Server Management Studio and write the query. So currently we are in SQL Server Management Studio and we have two records here. And let's see how to achieve the output we have seen in the presentation. That is the comma separated values into a separate rows, right? Let's understand how we can do this. This we can do it by string underscore split function, which is available from version SQL Server 2016 version onwards and higher versions. So if you are trying to do it in 2014 SQL version, SQL Server 2014 version, we will not be able to find it. So from SQL Server 2016 version, we can find this particular function. Previously, in order to achieve this, we used to write function which can, normal user defined function which can split these comma separated values to multiple rows. So let's see how we can do this. So to achieve that, I'm just selecting the data from the employees table. So this is the data. Now we can write cross apply. Cross apply nothing but it's kind of a join only, but this will be used when we are working with scalar functions, table valued functions, right? So I am saying cross apply and string underscore split. This is a function. This particular function accepts two arguments. The first one is which column we want to pass it. So the column I want to work the string split is the ID column. So I'm writing the ID column and I'm saying the delimiter. Here the delimiter which I have is the comma. So I'm giving the comma here. So let's see. Let's run the first table and the derived query. So let me run it again. So here we have employee ID 1, 2 and ID values. So if you can see, we have there are 5 values and it is being split into 5 rows. For the second record we have 5 again, so those 5 records have been split into different rows. So as we can even say, if you want only 2 rows, we can just select the same values like emp id comma value. So these are the 2 rows. Let's see. So each of the record have been split into comma separated values to different rows. And this works only for SQL Server version 2016 or high. So, and also the compatibility version should be above 130, that is. So how to check that compatibility value? That is, just go to any particular database. So here I'm just going to SQL with Ravi Martha database. Go to the properties window, or if it is option, if you go to options, we can see the compatibility level is 2017 here. That is 140. So each version is having a different value. So as I said, this particular function is available from 2016, that is, which is having the value 130 or above. So if you are trying to do with 2014, it will throw an error. You can try that, and I'll place all these scripts which I used in this session in the description of this video. And if you have any queries, you can drop me an email. Thanks for your time and have a great day.